Let me ask you something. What if I told you that the thoughts running through your mind right now are literally shaping your future? And I don't mean this is in a vague, positive vibes kind of way. I mean scientifically measurable changes in your brain, your body, and even in opportunities that show up in your life. You might be thinking, okay, sounds like another motivational cliche. But wait, because in this video, I'm going to show you real, undeniable proof from experiments, ancient wisdom, and real life stories that your thoughts are not just random mental chatter, they are the blueprint of your reality. So, before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. Because if you understand and use what I am about to share, your life will never be the same again. And I don't want you to miss the upcoming videos where I am going even deeper into this. I remember a few years ago, I was stuck in a job I hated. Every day felt like a copy paste of the one before. Same desk, same coffee, same emails, and same complaints. And the worst part, I would convince myself that this was just how life is. I kept replaying the same thoughts in my mind. I can't quit, I'm not lucky like other people, things never work out for me. Guess what happens? Month went by and nothing changed. Why? Because I was broadcasting those same limiting thoughts every single day, like a radio signal the universe was picking up on. It was only when I stumbled upon a strange scientific study, one that proved thoughts can actually change physical matter, that something clicked for me. And that's what I want to share with you today. Because if you understand this, you will stop letting your mind run on autopilot and you will start using it as the most powerful creation tool you have. By the way, somewhere in this video, I'm going to share with you one shocking experiment that was done on random people, and it literally blew scientists' minds. The result was so strange, they didn't even believe them at first, and when you hear it, you will never think about your thoughts the same way again. So stick around because that's coming up. First, let's get one thing straight. Your thoughts are not just fluffy, invisible things floating in your head. They are electrical and chemical events happening in your brain, producing real, measurable energy. Every time you think, neurons in your brain fire together, sending tiny electrical impulses through neural pathways. These impulses create electromagnetic fields, yes, actual energy fields around your brain and body. Now, here's where it gets fascinating. Your brain has about 86 billion neurons and they are constantly firing, meaning you are constantly generating an electromagnetic signature. And researchers have found that this signature changes depending on what you are thinking and feeling. Example, when you feel gratitude or joy, your brain waves shifts into a more coherent, ordered pattern. When you feel fear or stress, your brain waves become erratic and disordered. This doesn't just stay in your head. It affects your body chemistry, your heart rate, your hormone level, and even your immune system. Let me ask you right now, what have you been thinking about today? Has it been most positive, empowering thoughts or negative self-doubting ones? Because whether you realize it or not, that mental playlist is training your brain to expect and create more of the same. Alright, now let's talk proof. One of the most famous demonstrations of thought affecting reality comes from the work of Dr. Masaru Emoto, a Japanese researcher. He conducted experiments on water molecules, exposing them to different thoughts, words, and intention. When water was exposed to positive phrases like love or thank you and then frozen, the ice crystals formed beautifully symmetrical patterns under the microscope. But when exposed to negative words like hate or you are worthless, the crystals became disordered and ugly. Skeptics laughed until other researchers started replicating similar results. And it's not just water. The placebo effect is another undeniable example. Patients given a sugar pill with no actual medicine often experience real healing simply because they believe they are receiving treatment. This means the brain isn't just passively observing reality, it's actively generating it based on what you believe. And this is just the tip of the iceberg, because in a few minutes I'm going to tell you about an experiment but where people thoughts directly influence random number generator machine that should be impossible to influence. The results statistically impossible by pure chance. That's coming up. Here's something fascinating. While modern science is just now catching up, this idea that your thoughts shape your reality is not new. In fact, it's thousands of years old. The Upanishads, ancient India spiritual text says, you are what you deep driving desire is. As you desire is, so is your will. As your will is, so is your deed. As your deed is, so is your destiny. Translation, your inner thoughts is equals to lead to actions which leads to destiny. Buddhism. The Buddha taught all that we are is the result of what we have thought. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. That's not a metaphor, it's a direct instruction. Christianity. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. Notice, not as he works, not as he wishes, but as he thinks. Islam, Hadith and Quran. The Prophet Muhammad said, God says, I am as my servant thinks of me. Meaning your expectations and thoughts about reality influence your experience of it. These texts were written centuries apart on different continents by people who never met each other, yet they all describe the same truth. So here's a real question. Where are all just coincidentally saying the same thing, or were they pointing to a universal law that science is only now measuring? Let me tell you about a woman named Sarah. Sarah was a single mom working two jobs, always stressed and constantly telling herself, I am stuck, I will never get ahead. She stumbled onto the idea that your thoughts create reality and decided, just an experiment, to spend 1 month changing her internal dialogue. Every morning she would write, I am grateful for the opportunities coming to me, I am attracting abundance and peace. At first, nothing seemed to change except her mood. She was calmer, lighter. Then, in week 3, her boss offered her a position in a new department with better pay and flexible hours. Coincidence? Maybe. But here's the kicker. She later learned the boss had been considering several people for the role, but she just seemed like the most positive, solution-oriented person lately. Her inner change literally shifted how people perceived her, which changed her reality. And speaking of shifting reality, in a minute I'm going to share that mind-blowing random number generate experiment I mentioned earlier. The one where scientists basically caught human thought influencing a machine in real time. If you ever doubted that thoughts have power, this will remove that doubt completely. But before that, let's look at practical side. The random number generator experiment. Okay, here's the one you have been waiting for. At Princeton University, scientists created a device called a random event generator. Basically, a computer that spits out random ones and zeros, like flipping a perfectly fair coin over and over. Under normal conditions, the output should always average out of 50% ones and 50% zeros. Then they ask people to focus their thoughts on the machine, trying to make it produce more ones than zeros. Sounds impossible, right? It's a machine. But here's the crazy part. When people concentrated with intention, the results actually shifted. Not a huge amount, just a fraction of a percent, but enough that statistically it should have been impossible without some kind of influence. Over millions of trials, the data kept showing the same pattern. Human thought was somehow nudging the machine's output. And the most fascinating part, the effect was stronger when the person was emotionally invested. Meaning, the more they cared about the outcome, the more reality seemed to bend in their favor. So, if focused thought can influence a machine built to be random, what do you think it's doing to the random events in your life every day? Alright, let's turn this from theory into something you can actually use. Here's a 4-step method to start consciously creating your reality. Step 1. Become aware of your default thoughts. Spend one full day just observing what you say to yourself in your mind. Don't judge it, just notice. Write down repeated thoughts. Step 2. Interrupt and replace. Every time you catch yourself thinking something limiting, I can't do this, replace it with something empowering. I am learning how to do this. You are literally rewiring your neural pathways. Step 3. Add emotion. Thoughts alone are powerful, but thoughts plus emotion is equals to exponential effect. Feel the gratitude, excitement or peace as if your desired reality is already here. Step 4. Act in alignment. This is where most people mess up. If your thought says, I am abandoned, but your actions say, I am afraid to invest in myself, the signal you send is mixed. Act as if you already believe the new thought. By the way, at the end of this video, I am going to give you a 24-hour challenge that will provide to you, not just in theory, that your thoughts create your reality. So keep watching because this little test might just blow your mind. When you follow these steps, 3 things happen simultaneously. Neurological shift. You literally change the wiring of your brain. Perceptual shift. Your reticular activating system start filtering in new opportunities. And third, energetic shift. Your electromagnetic field becomes more coherent, affecting the environment around you. That's why people start seeing coincidence like meeting the right person at the right time or stumbling upon the perfect opportunity. It's not magic, it's alignment. Here's the challenge. For the next 24 hours, pick one very specific thing you want to see. Something unusual but possible. Example, a yellow butterfly, the number 777, or someone gifting you coffee. For the next day, think about it vividly several times. Feel the excitement of seeing it and expect it to appear. Then watch how reality bends to show it to you. Let me leave you with this right now. Your life is a reflection of your thoughts you have been thinking for months, maybe years. If you don't like what you see, the most powerful and the most doable changes starts in your own mind. Your thoughts are not random. They are script writers of your reality. So, what script are you going to write next? If this video opened your mind, hit that like button so YouTube shows it to more people who need to hear this. Subscribe if you want more deep dives into how your mind, energy, and reality are connected. And drop a comment telling me your 24-hour challenge intention. I will be reading and replying to as many as I can.